This is the recipe of Mutton Raan, which is also called thigh in English. We're gonna put some cuts on our Mutton Raan to let the meat be cooked finely. Now for the marination: 1 tablespoon red chili, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon zira or cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon black salt, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon of ghee or butter, squeeze 1 large size lemon, mix the marination. Now marinate your meat with the marination paste, with brush or with hands as you like. Now once it's completely marinated, put this in the fridge for 4 hours. After 4 hours, and get your meat out and add 1 cup of water. Add some lemongrass in if you have.
Lemongrass.
Add another cup of water. Use aluminium foil to wrap. Put the meat in at 160 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. After 3 hours, your meat should be done. Just take a look at this by yourself and see how tender this looks. Serve this however you like and enjoy.
Wow. Medium rare. How's it go?
If you like watching these videos, feel free to comment and subscribe if you want more of this. Until then, Allah Hafiz.